The Drobeta Turnu Severin heavy water plant was a pivotal Romanian facility designed for the production of high-purity heavy water, crucial for CANDU nuclear reactors. Built under strict safety and quality standards, its functioning relied on complex chemical processes involving hydrogen sulfide and isotopic exchange, supported by rigorous inspection protocols and collaboration between research institutes and industrial designers. The plant began producing heavy water in 1988 and reached full-scale output in the 1990s, peaking at over 146 tons annually. After the 1989 revolution, production halted for modernization, leading to a temporary reliance on Canadian imports to supply the Cernavodă nuclear power plant. By the early 2000s, Romania had become a major exporter of heavy water, delivering to South Korea, China, and Germany. Despite the plant's high-quality output, meeting and exceeding international standards, the facility faced mounting technological and political challenges post-1989, prompting partial shutdowns and eventual insolvency. In 2013, the plant entered bankruptcy proceedings, and by 2015, heavy water production ceased entirely, with all staff laid off. The National Heavy Water Management Center was later established to preserve the inventory and technical documentation. Romania's legacy in heavy water production remains notable for its technological achievements, though the industry's decline reflects shifting national priorities and energy policies.